Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is vlog number 4. I'm taking you on my trip to Bangalore where we organized the pole intensive. If you don't know, I'm a full-time pole dancing coach and I do organize retreats, classes all over the country, sometimes outside, but mostly I'm based out of Chennai. If you ever visit Bangalore, please go to Lavonne. It's one of my favorite cafes. The desserts there are outstanding. Even the food is amazing, so please do check them out. This vlog is a bunch of really random footages because that's all I could film, honestly, but I didn't want to stop my streak of filming and uploading regularly. But let me show you our Airbnb. This is my favorite place in Bangalore to stay, and every time I'm going there to teach or anything, this place is in Koramangala. I will leave the details in the description. It is such an amazing house and the owner is so sweet. We also packed a lot of clothes with us only to realize, you'll see that later. Those are my pole heels. We were ready for a nap because it was such an exhausting day. Bought fruits for 850 rupees. This is what we look like when we're together. I just love my girlfriends. If you love your girlfriends, tell me in the comments who your girlfriends are. This is Prarthana. She's amazing. We also work together and we're very close friends. It's been so amazing to have friends and also work with them. Honestly, it's the best feeling ever. I was, craving a snack, so I thought let me be healthy, partly healthy, have strawberries with Nutella. And we were trying to get the TV to turn on, but it just wasn't, working. So finally, I watched a little bit of TV and called it a night. Our workshop starts at 8 o'clock, but we have to go and fix the poles. So we woke up at around 5:30. Something about Bangalore, I just love coming to Bangalore. So we're gonna teach a set of 2 workshops today. This is one of my favorite foundations from Clinique. It's supposed to be infused with skincare. Because it's so early and we have to teach 2 sessions back to back, we're gonna also make breakfast. My friend gave me this lipstick, so I'm wearing it in her memory. Done, ready, let's run. I feel like if I have a house like this, I will never leave it. I will just be in the house all the time. I'm gonna take this opportunity to influence you in trying something new, whether it is pole dancing, pottery, or art, or sewing, whatever it is. I just think it'll change your life. It has changed mine for the better, and I really want to use this opportunity to inspire you to pursue some form of arts. It really brings a lot of meaning to your life, and I swear to God, it'll be the best decision you made. We just finished breakfast after a messy start to the day. Cannot be a vlogger around these girls. I couldn't really talk much in the morning because there was so much chaos. So I'll give you the tea. We had booked a studio for our workshop, pole workshop, and I booked them I think in October or November last year, and I specifically asked them what is the ceiling to floor height, and they had said it was 10 feet. So I calculated according to that and I brought the poles. The biggest mistake I made was to not come in person and visit their studio, because obviously they're in Bangalore, I'm in Chennai, so I just decided that it should be okay. And I asked them, is it flat ceiling? They said yes. And I said, is it 10 feet overall? They said yes, except there are some beams. I said that's okay. So then finally on the day of the workshop, I am going there and trying to fit the poles. It's not 10 feet. Not only is it not 10 feet, it's not 10 feet in any of the spots. and the ceiling is a bit like leveled. In a particular area it's 9 feet, and in another area it's about 10 and a half feet. In another area it's 11 feet. So nowhere is it 10 feet, and we were stuck in that situation. Luckily I had already done workshops here in another studio, and I know for a fact that that studio is 10 feet, and my team was so good. They just packed everything as fast as possible from this studio, informed all the students, moved to the other studio, and we did our workshop there. All of this within 30 minutes. And I'm getting a call from the founder, the owner of the studio, and she's like, what happened? What happened? And what irritated me the most is mistakes happen because it's fine, whatever happened, but some form of accountability has to be taken. Like, I was like, yeah, I should have come and checked, because if I had come and checked, I would have never okayed the studio for my workshop, you know. And when I told her, your studio is not 10 feet, in fact it's not 10 feet in any spot, and it's completely mixed heights, she was like, no, but the guys who did the renovation told me that it was 10 feet. Girl, don't you have Measure app on your iPhone? I was afraid I was gonna ask her for a refund, and she just kept going on and on about, but I know for a fact that it's 10 feet. I said, listen, I'm not even asking you the refund. I don't care about the money at this point, but the fact that you didn't give me the right information, that's my problem. And she just was like, can you calm down? Calm down? We moved the classes for day 1, and I'm headed there for my advanced classes. People make mistakes, everybody messes up, but how you handle the situation after is super important. And when someone's panicking, like I have 10 students waiting outside, and you're telling me to calm down on the phone. Okay, we're ready for our evening class. I didn't realize I told that story so intensely, but let me introduce you to my team. This is me, that is Pratra, that is Monica, and that's Vasu. They're my team in Bangalore. These are all the students who came to learn. I really hope that this inspires you to try something new this week. Okay, let me know if you do. 3, 2, 1. Very bad. Okay, thank you. Walking towards a building that is like a dream studio for us. What could potentially become ours? We don't know. We're going to show you. And look at this beautiful building. Wish I was the kind of girl that would say, guys, I'm gonna have my morning turmeric ginger shot. I really wish I was, but I'm not. I want to have coffee the first thing in the morning type of girl. Now, what is our plan today? Take 2 sessions and then get our nails done. Stay. Yeah! Look at this brand. This is literally my dream, which is to keep walking and vlogging, and I could never find spots in Chennai to do that. After carrying clothes and unpacking it, this is the first time we're even heading out, and we're leaving Bangalore tomorrow. It was a hectic trip, guys. So guys, we packed unnecessary amount of clothing. Like, look at us. And we have worn nothing. Can you believe I brought 2 suitcases of clothes? I had so many looks planned. Pradhan. Is this the one that I got you from?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cute. Night dress மட்டும்தான் விதவிதமா போட்டுருவோம். அப்போ ஏன் தெரியுமா நைட் ட்ரெஸ் மாத்தாம இந்த ட்ரெஸ்லயே பேக் பண்றேன். அட்லீஸ்ட் அதுக்காக இந்த ட்ரெஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணு. See my shoe, guys. It's so cute. The shoe that I never wore. I just wore it once today. This entire vlog, you've literally seen me speak to you from the restroom more than outside. That's because this trip was so different in the sense, work-wise, it was one of the best trips because, you know, I met so many amazing women, shared so much of laughter and, I don't know, so many emotions. Organizing-wise, it was quite stressful because of the studio situation, and it kind of really made us exhausted. It really sucked the energy out of us, the whole situation, and the way the founders decided to deal with it was so exhausting for us. Apart from that, I wasn't able to enjoy much because my sinus infection is still very much active. This year, I really told myself that I'm not gonna think about pain and, you know, cry and stuff like that. I'm gonna actually choose joy. Something really sweet happened today. I'm gonna tell you about it in my next vlog because my next vlog may be my most favorite vlog, but I can't reveal to you what it is right now. I'm so sorry. I hate when people do this to me, like, I want to tell you something, but I'll tell you later. I'm like, why did you tell me now then?